That's exactly what I thought too, and yeah, this is how it looks right now.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Morning guys, my name is Kyle and today I want to show you something I noticed in the free Solana space. And you ask me a lot of questions, and if you still think the free Solana is always fake, that's exactly what I thought too. And yeah, this is how it looks right now, and I wasn't changing anything crazy guys, I just tested dozens of crypto tools in 2026, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly what I tested and what's happened. This video is strictly for educational entertainment purpose only, and nothing here guys is financial advice, and I'm not encouraging anyone to copy what I do. And now it's time to jump inside, and this is the tool I was talking about. So first of all, let me just enter start and open the application here. Alright, so I'm gonna open this one, and that's is pretty popular application nowadays. A lot of users use it, so I'm gonna just follow the steps inside and I will show you everything today here live. Let me choose the first option here, that's really awesome. Alright, and here are the small requirements guys, give me just literally a few seconds, I'm gonna finish it real fast. It's not a big deal for me. Alright, let me choose like that. Okay, and as you can see, everything here is super simple. All right, so let me just enter that like that and enter it here. All right, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so the processing should be start already. Yeah, that's already started. And guys, while I'm waiting the update, you can drop me your ideas in the comments what kind of tools I can test next, so probably I will make a new video for you. Alright, so it's already updated, that's really awesome, that's really fast. So let me just close this application and then let me just open it again. Okay, usually it responds really fast, so let me just check it here. Yeah, that's already here, that's really awesome, that's really nice. And I'm just gonna continue the settings inside. Okay, there is a next step I need to choose. Okay, that's already chosen, that's really nice. Let me just continue. Yeah, and as you can see, the loading started, that's really awesome. And all information guys here is from open public sources, nothing guys here is private, and you can easily find similar tools online. Alright, so everything here is confirmed. Okay, and look at this guys, this is the thing I was talking about. And now it's time to just try and test this setup. So let me just enter like that, really fast. Okay, let me just check it one more time. So here, okay, I think I got it. Let me just continue. Alright, to there. Let me check it again. Okay, one is here and another two there and there. Let me check. Yeah, this is how it looks guys, this is how it looks. I'm just gonna continue and test one more time to be sure everything responds really good. Alright, and I got another one that's really wonderful, so I just don't want to waste my time, I'm gonna do it alright like that, and let me check. Yeah, look at this guys, that's amazing, that's really nice, the system responds really fast, and this is what I like here. So the next step is I just need to confirm and send everything back, because this is the whole point of this video. Okay, and let me just enter my application, let me choose, okay, this one, grab this one. All right, let me just back and enter it like that. Okay, and confirm. Yeah, that's already updated. I got a noti that's really fast, the system responds real quick, and this is what I like here. And now guys, it's time to show you what the kind of tool I'm using, so you can pause the video right now and find it by its name. And be aware guys, using only official links, because there is a lot of different similar tools online. So let me just back to main and let me just refresh the page and wait in the update. Usually it responds really fast, so I'm gonna wait update. Yeah, that's already updated, that's really wonderful. This is what I like the most, that's the speed and simply steps inside. Alright guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this information with your friends, press your all like, and I'll catch you in another one.